Hey folks, Chad here. Well, I think I've made a decision, or actually a couple decisions, on these new knockout roses. I think we're going to actually take up some monkey grass that's starting to spread. I don't really like that. And we're going to put these roses in its place. And we're going to clump them, those three together and these three together. So we'll just have two masses of colors around the pool area. So I'll go show you where that's going to be. So here we have some monkey grass starting to spread. It wasn't here, here, and here. I was kind of going really crazy, but it's starting to spread. But I think we have room between here and that daylily to put those three yellow roses. And as we go over here, past the olive tree and the grass, we've got three more. Pulled up some of these earlier, but those are the three clusters, and I think we're going to do the same thing there with the pink. And then I have another idea to do it all over again with the rose trees that we also have in another part of the flower bed. So let's get these out and get the knockout roses in. And we're going to put in a little biotone starter and just kind of replace where these holes are, just about, maybe move them a little bit. Alrighty, here we go. All right, we got the mulch kind of pulled back a little bit from there. I'm going to try to video this if my phone doesn't overheat, because here in the south it's really hot. And there's our tools. We got the biotone. I'm going to try to take these out in clumps, and that way if we want to reuse them and plant them somewhere else we can. But I don't know yet, hadn't decided. But let's go ahead and make the holes, and that way we can get them ready for the roses. Dang, I just dug up all those clumps of grass and didn't hit the play button. Oh well, guess we'll do it next time. But I'll tell you, had some weedberry and an old drip system that they had in here, but it was never actually hooked up. So we're gonna cut the hose, get it out the way a little bit, and then I'm gonna cut some of this weed barrier back just a little more, and that way we can fertilize the roses and they can actually get to the roses. And anyways, so got all the clumps of grass. I don't know, yep, you see them over there. We can reuse those if we want to. And let me go grab the stuff I need to cut these. All right, so just widen the weed barrier a little bit with the shovel, went around and kind of cut it a little farther in a circle. Here's our good hose. Let me make sure we don't hit that. I'm gonna move some of the dirt and get the holes ready to be planted. Don't need to move a whole lot. Accurate measure, something like that. Smells like growth right there. All right, we're gonna do our orange glow over here. Perfect. All right, let's get them watered in. Okay, we're gonna water these in and do the exact same thing for round 2 with the Easy Breezies. Easy Beezy. Well, folks, you weren't able to watch me put these in. I think I got most of the other 3 on video before the camera got hot, because here in the south, we have no shade here, and it's very hot, and the phone overheats all the time when I'm videoing. So, anyways, you see here we got the Easy Beezy. They are looking beautiful, nice and happy. Watered them in. Already got them hooked up to the drip system, which was already here. We just used the tool to poke a hole there, run it there, and we have the little drip emitter. It's actually one you can adjust, like a little sprinkler head kind of. So it does a little nice amount of water. Come down here. These are looking beautiful as well. These are some of my favorite knockout roses right here. I don't know if it picks it up on the camera here, but look at the glow in the middle. That's awesome. Love it. So hopefully these are just as healthy as all the other knockouts and grow really nice, and looking forward to it. Seeing them get going. Anyways, now we're going to move on to some other projects. So if you like this video, click like, subscribe, share it with your friends, and we'll see you real soon with another video here at Cruiseville.